Hello everybody, welcome again to the ETABS and SAFE course. And when we have earthquake or wind load on a structure, we have a cracks on the all element. These cracks decrease the stiffness and rigidity of any of all elements. So we must take into consideration this thing. So we must define a stiffness modifier for each kinds of element and our project. For beams we have a stiffness modifier. For slab we have a stiffness modifier. For walls we have a stiffness modifier, and also for columns. To define the stiffness modifier for columns, we select first of all the columns. Then we go to assign frame, because columns, and we go to property modifiers. For frame, we modify the torsion constant, moment of inertia about 2 axes, and moment of inertia about 3 axes. We put them equal to 0.7. So here we put 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. Okay. Now we want to define the stiffness modifier of beams. So we select the beams and we go to assign frame property modifier. For beams we have the stiffness modifier equal to 0.35. We go to the same thing for columns. Now we begin with the slabs. We go assign shell stiffness modifier. The stiffness modifier of slab equal to 0.25. Modify M11, M22, M12. So we return to the ETABS 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Now we want to select the walls and go to assign shell stiffness modifier. The same thing for walls, equal to 0.5 stiffness modifier. Same for slab. We press finally OK. Now we have defined the stiffness modifier for all the elements. Thank you for listening, and we will continue in the next lectures.